Hello friends, welcome to the CAD Master StatPro VATI tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we will see the start screen or welcome screen of StatPro VATI software. In our desktop screen, there is an icon of StatPro VATI software. By double click over it, we can start the software. As I already start the software. This is the welcome screen of StatPro VATI software. Basically, the STAT Pro is stand for Structural Design and Analysis and Pro is stand for Programming. The software is developed by Bentley. While opening the software, we see the project task, recent file, license configuration and help topic. From project tasks, we can open or create the project, and we can also open the previous existing project. In recent file, we can see the preview of previous file, and from help topic we can take sudden help and user manual of the software. After that, in project tasks we create the new file. After creating new file, we see the various options, that is space, plane, floor, truss, file name, location and various unit, that is length unit and force unit. Now what is space? Space is a three-dimensional structure. That means where the load is acting three direction, that is x direction, y direction and z direction. In plane, where the load is act only in two direction. Similarly, the floor and truss. Now we take the space. After that, we type the file name whatever we want, just like I take CAD master. After that, decide the location, and after that we take the units, that is length unit and force unit. If we take the length unit is meter, then force unit is also in that similar unit, that means it is a kilonewton. If take the length unit is inch, then force unit is pound. If take in foot, then force unit is kilopound. Now we decide to take the meter and force unit is in kilonewton. After that, clicking on next button. After that, we clicking on next button, we see the various options, that is add beam, add plate, add solid, open structure wizard, open stat editor and edit jump information. Now what is add beam? Add beam is basically all the columns and all the beam. In this, it is the all the beam and all the column. That means it is a member. And add plate and add solid, it is a slab. That means it is a element. Add beam, it is a frame. After that, we also take the open structure wizard to open the project. Now we decide to take the add beam and click on the finish. After finishing, we see the GUI of the StatPro VATI software, that means graphical user interface. This is the working area where we draw the structure. This is the horizontal toolbar and this is the vertical toolbar. In a horizontal toolbar, we see the various options or various toolbar, that means from where we can help to draw the drawing. Now in file toolbar, we see the various options, that is from new we can create the new project, we can open the previous existing project, we can also close the project, we can save the project, we can export import the project from AutoCAD software, and also we can export and import the StatPro file into the MS file. After that, we can see the recent stat file and recent stat archives. In this we can print the project. After that, we see the edit menu bar. In this edit menu bar, we see the undo, redo, cut, copy and paste and delete option while working on the project. Also, we can take the picture while working on the project. This is all about the edit menu bar. In next, we see the view. In view toolbar, we see the zoom, pan, view select object only. For zooming the project, we can use the zoom. For pan the project, we can use the pan. While we select the particular component, we want to take the view selected object option only for viewing the particular portion of the building or any other structure. And to take the whole structure, we can choose the whole structure option. In this, we can take the 3D rendering to view the 3D view of the building and any another structure. After that, in toolbar, we check the duplicate nodes, orphan nodes. Also, we take the calculator for calculating the value. We can also take the unit converter. we can also take the dimension of beam to show the dimension, and also take the display node to node distances to display the node to node distances. After that, we can also insert the text in this menu bar. After that, we take the select. From select menu bar, we can take the nodes cursor, beam cursor, physical member cursor, plate cursor, surface cursor, and also take the beam parallel to the x direction, y direction, and z direction. Similarly, we take the plates parallel to the xy direction, yz direction, and xz direction. After that, we go to the geometry. We take the nodes, snap grid node, and also we can insert the node. We can also add the beam, plate, and solid, and also take the surfaces. After that, in this we can also take the translation repeat for building heights, and circular repeat for circular water tank or for staircase. Also we can also in this we generate the meshing, and also take the various tool, that is move, rotate, and mirror, from this geometry toolbar. After that, going to the command, we can take the plate thickness, surface thickness, member property, material constant, geometric constant. Also we take the loading, that is dead load, live load, snow load, wind load, earthquake load, etc. And we analyze the whole structure, and we also take the IS code and design the building or structure, and we take and go to the structure into post-processing process in this command toolbar. After that, we analyze. While applying the loading and designing, we go to the analyze to check the structure is safe or not. After that, we go to the modeling process. The structure is move on the modeling process. After that, we see the page control. In this page control, we see the various options, that is setup, geometry, general, analysis, and print and design. In setup, this is the data. From here, we can fill the data, that is job, client, job number. After that, name, date, comment, etc. And after that, in geometry, we can see this is the grid, and we also can create the our own grid, and also take the node to node distances to draw the structure. After that, in general, we can finalize the beam and column size. Also we can take the angles, that is ISMB, ISLB, etc. After that, in specification, we can specify the, or we can add the any other details. In support, we can take the support, that is fixed support, hinge support, simply support, etc. And in load and definition, we can take the load, that is dead load, live load, wind load, vehicle load, etc. And in material, we can finalize the material, that is we use the steel material, stainless steel, aluminum, and in concrete. Also we can create the material, that is M30, M25, etc. And now, while this, we go to the analysis and print, from which we can analyze and print the whole structure where we want to design. After that, we go to the design to designing the whole structure while taking current code, that means it is codes are available, that is here is the IS 800 for steel. We also take the IS 456 2000 for building, etc. After deciding the code and analyzing it, we go to the post-processing process to see the shear force and bending moment. And after that, we go to the steel design, concrete design, foundation design, RAM connection, bridge deck, etc. This is all about the graphical user interface of the StatPro VHI software. Thanks for watching this video.